Ah, the beach, the sun, the sand, the waves, it's a place to relax and have fun. But sometimes little things can be a bother. Don't worry, I'm here to share some clever hacks to make your beach day even better. With a little planning, you can have a blissful and stress-free time. Are you ready? Let's dive in. The sun is glorious, but too much can be a pain. Literally, sunburns can ruin a perfect day out. Sunburn is no fun. Try freezing aloe vera gel in ice cube trays. It's a simple trick that can make a huge difference. These soothing cubes feel amazing on burnt skin. The coolness helps reduce inflammation and the aloe vera speeds up healing. Another tip, pop your sunscreen in a cooler bag. This way it stays cool and refreshing. Cool sunscreen is more pleasant to apply, plus it can help soothe your skin as you protect it. And what about sweat? Don't let it cramp your style. Excessive sweating can be uncomfortable and embarrassing. Stick bra pads under your arms. They are discreet and effective. They absorb sweat and prevent those embarrassing sweat patches. Clever, right? With these hacks, you can enjoy the sun without the discomfort. Packing for the beach can be a mission, but fear not. With a little planning and some clever tricks, you can make the process smooth and stress-free. I have some tips to make it a breeze. Let's start with packing your clothes. First, roll your clothes instead of folding them. Rolling not only saves space but also helps prevent wrinkles, keeping your outfits looking fresh. This saves space and prevents wrinkles. Genius! Plus, it makes it easier to see everything in your bag at a glance. Next, use a large tote bag to carry everything. Tote bags are spacious and perfect for the beach. They can hold your towels, sunscreen, snacks, and more. Tote bags are spacious and perfect for the beach. Choose one with sturdy handles and a fun design to add some style to your beach day. Now for some beach-specific hacks, these little tricks will make your time on the sand even more enjoyable. Fill a small bucket with water and keep it by your towel. This is great for rinsing sandy feet before you get back into your shoes or onto your towel. This is great for rinsing sandy feet. No more uncomfortable sand sticking to your skin all day. And guess what? No more sandy snacks. Pack your crisps and other snacks in a reusable container. Pack your crisps in a reusable container. This keeps them fresh and sand-free so you can enjoy your treats without any gritty surprises. This keeps them fresh and sand-free. With these tips, you're all set for a fantastic beach day. Enjoy the sun, sand, and surf with ease. A day at the beach should be all about fun and relaxation. Whether you're soaking up the sun, building sandcastles, or just enjoying the sound of the waves, the beach is the perfect place to unwind and have a great time with family and friends. But sometimes, little accidents happen. You might trip over a hidden rock, or a gust of wind might knock over your drink. And let's not forget those pesky inflatable toys that always seem to deflate at the worst possible moment. Did your favorite inflatable toy spring a leak? It can be a real bummer, especially if it's a toy that kids love. But don't worry, there's a quick fix that can save the day. No problem. A dab of clear nail polish can temporarily seal the hole. Just apply a small amount over the leak, let it dry, and you're good to go. It's a simple trick that can keep the fun going. And if you're worried about losing your car keys, bury them in a Ziploc bag under your towel. This way they stay safe and dry, and you won't have to worry about them getting lost in the sand or washed away by the tide. Just remember where you put them. It's a good idea to mark the spot with something noticeable so you don't spend your day searching for your hidden treasures. Lastly, don't forget a first aid kit. Accidents can happen, and it's always better to be prepared. A well-stocked first aid kit can make a big difference in handling minor injuries. Pack some plasters, antiseptic wipes, and pain relievers. Safety first always. With these tips, you can ensure your beach day is filled with fun, relaxation, and peace of mind.